Looks like drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Nice looking convertible. Kind of flame red in color. White vinyl top. Top is manual, FYI. Underneath the hood, era correct 283 V8 engine that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's take a close look at the front grille. Bumper bright work. As you can see, very presentable. As is the paint on this car. Little older paint job, I would say, by looking at it, but does it show well? Absolutely. One you can get in and drive. Take to your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. Wouldn't necessarily call it a trailer queen, but I'd call it a nice looking car. Now, if you want to check out still pictures of this, over 100 still pictures of this on our website. Top to bottom, underside, inside, outside at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Car is also equipped with power steering. As you can see, riding on American Racing torque thrust style polished aluminum wheels. Take a look up and down the side of this car. See, it's not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. Bright work seems to line up nicely. Looks like a straight car. White vinyl interior. Interior appears to be newer also as far as the vinyl condition. Well, aftermarket retro sound style radio. Did play around. Wipers work, radio works. Blower fan also works. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Slip around to the back, you can see dual exhaust. Check out the chrome back here in bright work, also very presentable. Car is also riding on what appears to be newer radials on those American Racing wheels. Be able to see pictures of the trunk, the underside, uniqueclassiccars.com. Easiest way to do it is click on the link down in the description below this video. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see the bright work, nice shape. Again, paint shows well. Bright work doesn't seem to be filled with any real nicks or dings along the way. Nice parade boot or vinyl cover for the top. Take a look at the vinyl seats from this side, and again, you can see they're free of rips, tears, holes. Appears to be newer vinyl. Seat belts have been installed. All right. Nice looking door cards. Let's go ahead and start this up here at Run. We'll check out that engine bay also. See how easily that starts. Like I said, wipers do work. A quick swipe. Also, radio does work. Padded dash. Get an idea of the sound of the exhaust. Nice throaty sound coming out of that 283. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Ooh, good sounding car. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. We're going to check out the engine bay. Then we'll shut her off, shut the hood down, and we'll check out the vinyl top on it for you too. So hold on a second, let's do the engine next. Hood popped. There's that 283, and again, era correct is a J suffix code on this one. Tells you it's from 1964, and it is a 283 block. Again, power steering, smooth runner, good sounding car. Of course, Chevy orange engine. Alright, so there's the engine bay. Got an idea of that, how this car sounds. I'm going to pause this one more time. Let's get that top up. Let's check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we have the top up. Like I said, white vinyl top. Nice condition. Looks good. Doesn't appear to be very old. Slip around to the back side of it. Does have the rear plastic window, but very clear. Not discolored, scratched, really anything like that. It's going to function, work perfectly. Be able to see out of it fine. And as far as the top goes, it's going to keep you dry or keep you out of the sun. Again, it is manual, goes up easy enough, and fits nice and tight, as you can see up front by the top of the windshield. All right, don't get a lot of Chevelle convertibles in this year. Nice model year for these. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.